Hi friends, today we will discuss the SCADA Pack 470 RTU hot reset. In this case, the RTU defined IP address is not responding, so we will perform a hot reset. So I will show you how to do that hot reset. In my video you can see one reset option is there, okay? Press the button for 5 seconds and the run LED will start blinking. After the reset, we need to ping the default IP address. The default IP address is 172.168.1.200, okay? And our laptop IP address, we need to keep it 172.168.1.2.166, okay? So just pinging that IP address. Yeah, pinging is success. Then we need to download our exact backup to controller. Backup, PC communication setting. That's it, we need to enter same default IP address 172.116 and 1.200, then click apply, then go to click online, then next SCADA Pack 70 controller, just click that tab and go to online again. So it's asking about the security lock, no need to do anything, just click device does not record a password, okay? Then apply, then write option. So program is loading to controller. So once logic is right configuration and logic is successful, then we'll go to open our logic editor. For these things we need to go configuration and down SCADA Pack logic and open editor. From this editor, just go to mode and click connect option. Why? I will explain now. The current IP address is not the default IP address. So we need to change the RTU to the downloaded IP address. So what about our RTU IP address 122.168.0.1? So we need to do again in PC communication settings and click apply. Then click go to online, again online, then go to logic editor, open editor, go, just to open your program, then go to mode and connect option. Now it's working. Now everything's completed. So if you want more technical videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, like my channel and share my channel. Thanks for watching.